So this is a great platform. I think India needs so many more brands, and for entrepreneurs, they need a platform where they can just connect with manufacturers who can get it done in the right way for them. So a platform like this really helps the brands access quality manufacturers better. India has a huge potential for manufacturing. It's a key priority for the government, not only for India but probably around the world. We will be creating many new brands, many new offerings. So manufacturing in India will evolve. I'm sure investors are going to pour in money as the brands domestic led, but export following very soon. That will happen. For me, it's always been about finding where can I add value, and creating products, creating offerings, creating services that actually do something positive for someone. So that's the mantra.